This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Chuck Luther. This attractive single-story home with a 3-car garage requires minimum maintenance and features an airy and open split-bedroom floor plan. A comfortable owner's bedroom suite has his and hers closets with views of the wooded lot. Conveniently located near DeSoto Blvd, 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, a marina, as well as 30 miles of walking trails and restaurants. First-time home buyers in Hot Springs Village have a $1,500 initial fee. Hot Springs Village also has a monthly POA fee of $110. Refrigerator and washer and dryer stay with the property. New Rood in 2019. New Trane heat pump 2014. For more information, review the details below or contact Chuck Luther.